Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be here today sharing the latest release from Alex Syberia Designs. I have the entire release and I will also share with you how I created a super cute card. I will share how I created this card in my video. So this is really nice and feature a lot of the new products. And I also want to mention that this is a part of a video hop, so please go ahead and check the description box for all of the information on how to participate and win some fabulous goodies from Alex Syberia Design. So first off, we have this really cute die set with sentiments, with love sentiments. So you can see how great that is, and it's a really nice font and quite small, which is nice for all of those cards where you just want a little sentiment somewhere. Really nice. Then we have, I will clear my desk so it's a little bit easier to go through. Then we have this one, and this is quite unique. So you have your tags. This is love tickets die set, and we have this that is love tickets. So you can pair this on top of your tickets and get this beautiful sort of, look on it. So I did this one, I shared it just now, and it's also the card I will create today. So I just heat embossed in white on top of the tags, or the tickets I should say. So really nice, you can really mix and match all of these. Then we have this one, super sweet. This one is called Charming Medallions die set, and I created a video which I will share over at Alex Syberia's YouTube channel later this month, where I did this card. But you can see how cute these medallions are. Really nice. And then we have a large stamp set. This is called Wrapped with Love stamp set, and you have your coordinating dies like this. Love the little dots that you can just play around with and use as splatters. Of course, I created a card with this one as well. Also a video I will share over at Alex Syberia's YouTube, which is this one. But you can see that frame, which is nice, and also how I colored in this bloom. And you can also see the font here that I shared in the beginning. In the background, I am using another new product, and that's one of the stencil sets. This one is called, what is this called? Stripe something, classic stripes. Really sweet, and you can see how I use that one. And the last product in this release is this beautiful four-piece stencil set. This one, I think it's called something blooms. Tiny flowers it's called. So cute. And of course I have an example for you for that one as well. YouTube video will be coming if you like to see how I created this card with multiple colors and also colors in the background. And the white dots in the middle. I think that is just cute. So that is all of the things. Let's get into how I created this cute card. So here you can see the products that I use. It's the Love Ticket die set that I started out. You can see I cut my pieces out of some white cardstock, and then I took my blending brushes from Trinity and went over both of these, and I will have the background a little bit harder on the coloring and the top part here quite softly blend. But I will go back until I have them perfectly colored. And I off camera colored in the rest of these, so you can see I colored them quite a lot. After I had colored them, I pulled out the Love Ticket stamp set, and then I pressed them down with some clear ink, and then I used my tweezers just to hold them so I don't get a lot of fingerprints. I used some white embossing powder, and then I heat set them off camera, and I did that for all of my top layers. And then I used some paper between my background and my front piece here as a liquid glue, just to give it a little bit of dimension. For my white background, I pulled out a goodie from my stash from Alex Syberia, and that is the Charming Flora. I have used this a ton, and I dried embossed it on top of a white panel. Then I went ahead and put some foam tape to the back, and then I just pressed all of these images down. And I think I did this a little bit to one of the sides, this pink one. When I looked at the pictures, I thought it looked a little bit funny, but in real life it actually looks really good. So I don't know what's up with my photo of this project. For embellishment, I pulled out this little cute flower and I created them in a ton of different ways, just in vellum, with one layer, and my favorite was the one with 2 layers in white, where I creased the petals for the lower part down and for the upper part up, and then I just took a yellow paper for the center part, and then I just did 3 of those flowers, and I also cut a sentiment, but it didn't end up on this project. I sort of loved it without it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create. I will have links down below for all of the information for this video hop, and until next time, have a great day. Bye!